So around here, turn up the house, please. Turn up a little bit. Come in. You voice over. So what happened around here is the helicopter view, and what we're seeing around here is the HL town where the actual smoking around in this time. So
That was cool.
it is, yeah. So around here you can see around in this flight, it's low altitude. Plus, the moment that you kind of like clear, even though it's kind of smoky. Yeah, you see the detail out of this particular video, and we're gonna check and follow a subject. Let's say
Like what?
like a car or a truck. So
Or a plane?
let's say that particular truck. You see that one?
Yeah.
So detailed right there. So this particular truck we're gonna follow, and what we're gonna do is try to make a clear footage out of this. Okay. So so that's a clear view. You see, the speed. We on the controls we need to at least catch up
With that truck?
with that truck. So we get more altitude. So we put a little high on the altitude, and then what we're gonna do is at least follow the subject. So keep an eye on the particular subject. He got a little slow around here, and then now we got clear view. So now the speed of our helicopter will follow the helicopter view of a specific subject. So now, so we're gonna go around in here. So this is the main road out of the 100th Street. So we just follow around until, and then get more altitude, so just more safe to whatever around vehicle around or people around. So with this, we get a safe altitude, and then now we're gonna focus with that particular subject that we are trying to. Now we kind of like almost lost this object, but now we're gonna at least get on that. Due to our speed, we can't catch up to. We're gonna lost the subject, but at least we had that particular thing that we're trying to get a footage out of it. So see, now we had the clear understanding that this subject is so clear and crisp out of this video because of we try to maintain and control all these components just to have that crisp footage. And around here we got more zoom clips around it, and then we'll see how we're gonna get the detail out of it. So the subject is trying to pull the trailer out of this garage. So shout out to Matthew. Matthew. So Matthew, if you're watching, here's what your request. So along with this, thank you to all our subscribers. We got 16 subscribers, right?
Yeah, it was either 17.
17. 70. Well, okay. Well, but thank you for all the viewers out of our video. But we're trying to catch up. Please give us a little room on how we can improve.
Our video.
Yeah, and that's the thing. So, right here, so the subject is kind of like still and steady. So around with that, the altitudes we keep tracked on the specific subject now, and we're trying to have that increase, even though we still kind of like something. So what you can say about what you see around the detail?
I saw a man and another man
Yeah,
doing
it's-
something to the truck.
right? I mean, that particular thing is so detailed, even though it's aerial view out of the helicopter view. You know what I mean? This low altitude is pretty low for a particular aircraft to capture this particular video. So hopefully we get more aerial views for you guys to view, and just click on subscribe and follow more video. Hopefully we get more out of the best video, and please comment what you're trying to
Tell us about.
yeah, tell us about, comment about down below whatever you are trying to view or see in the future. Oh yeah,
You have to think about the input.
we'll see about how we can catch up with that particular
We will choose pick like a subscriber we will choose so that we can make it as a video.
I don't know if we can we?
Maybe.
Okay, we'll try. We'll try. There's no harm in trying. If it's safe, why not, right? So, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you like this video. Hopefully the next video is more of your liking. Please like and subscribe. What else you can say about?
Don't forget to comment.
Yeah, don't forget to comment down below. See ya, guys.